Are you looking for the best outdoor multi-fuel pizza oven? In this video we are looking 5 best outdoor multi-fuel pizza oven. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. 12-inch, 3-minute pizza, Neapolitan, thin crust, New York Chicago, custom, 700 max temperature, electric heat, bake, broil, proof, warm, MO201. Brand, Ninja. Special feature, LED display, programmable, temperature control. Control type, button control. Door style, drop-down door. 5-in-1 functionality, the ultimate outdoor sidekick for all your backyard entertainment, pizza, bake, broil, warm and proof. 3-minute artisan pizza, restaurant quality 12-inch pizzas with even leoparding on crusts and gooey cheese ready in 3 minutes * with no turning necessary. 5 pizza settings, choose from 5 different settings to satisfy any craving, Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and custom. Cooked at 700 degrees Fahrenheit, excludes 18-minute preheat. Full meals outdoors, cook and warm your sides in your Ninja pizza oven at the same time your main is cooking, char burgers on your grill while baking a 12-inch by 12-inch mac and cheese in your oven. No flame, full control. Electric heat unlocks complete temperature control with a wide range of temps from 90 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Expand your horizons and cook more outdoors without the fuss of a live flame. Number 2. Bighorn Outdoors. 12-inch wood-fire pizza stone oven, 887 degrees Fahrenheit outdoor stainless pizza cooker, portable for party usage, sliver. Size, 12-inch. Brand, Bighorn Outdoors. Color, silver. Heating method, radiant. Finish type, wood, pellet, stainless steel. Premium and safe stainless steel, outdoor oven's pellet pizza oven is constructed with high-quality stainless steel. This sturdy and compact oven is safe for cooking all types of foods. Great oven for Neapolitan-style pizza, our pellet pizza oven is ready to cook in just 18 to 20 minutes. It may take longer to preheat if pizza oven has been exposed to rain or extreme cold. Its maximum temperature can reach up to 887 degrees Fahrenheit 475 degrees Celsius, allowing you to bake a perfect pizza in just 60 to 90 seconds, as well as roasting steaks, fish, lamb chops, burgers, salmon and vegetable dishes and so much more. Ultra portable and ease of assembly. The durable and lightweight pizza oven equipped with folding legs requires minimal assembly without tools. It can quickly come apart for easy cleaning, storage, and it weighs just 25 pounds, ideal for the backyard or outdoor cooking events. Easy use and cook evenly. Preheat oven for 18 minutes. Number 3. Multi-fuel pizza oven outdoor, 12-inch wood fire and propane pizza oven, portable rotating pellet gas pizza maker for grill with thermometer, dual fuel stainless steel pizza maker for backyard camping. Brand, Frigilife. Model name, multi-fuel pizza oven outdoor. Control type, knob. Door style, sliding doors. Included components, pizza stone. Multi-fuel options. This versatile outdoor pizza oven supports multiple fuel options, including charcoal, wood, and propane gas. Whether you're after the smoky taste of a wood-fire pizza oven or the convenience of a gas pizza oven, it adapts to your cooking style for the perfect results every time. Quick high-heat cooking. Our gas and wood pellet pizza oven reaches a maximum temperature of 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheats to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch dual-fuel pizza oven. Electric and wood pellet, indoor and outdoor high-temp pizza maker, 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, with pizza stone for wood-fired flavor. Brand, Bighorn Outdoors. Color, silver. Product dimensions 21.6-inch dx 14.2 wx 29h. Special feature cooks in under 2 minutes, heats up to 1000 F, indicator light, multi-fuel, portable. Control type knob control. Dual fuel flexibility. As the first ever hybrid pizza oven combining both pellet and electric fuel, this oven offers unmatched flexibility. Number 5. PYY Electric Pizza Oven. Indoor countertop pizza oven, commercial pizza maker machine for home with timer, stainless steel pizza cooker. Brand, PYY. Color, black. Special feature, wide application. Control type, knob. Uniform heating, with the design of upper and lower heating tubes of the home pizza oven, pizza can be heated evenly and has even color and luster when out of oven. Save time, with high heating efficiency and insulation cotton of the indoor pizza oven, baking time is shortened. Food can be served to customers in advance, reducing waiting time. Easy to clean, PYY Pizza Oven Indoor Electric, covered with wrinkled black paint, is oil stain and fingerprint resistant and easy to clean. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.